Namaste. My name is Rui Simra. I'm International Meditation Master. Today I want to speak about your money is being reprogrammed. So, the Chinese government is controlling its citizens, and that wants our government to do also. The Chinese have face detection cameras installed at public places and also checking what the people are doing. For instance, they want that you visit your parents regularly. And if you don't do so, you can't use the public transportation anymore or go on vacation. Today, our government wants that we pay with our mobile phone and not with cash anymore. They argue you can't pay for tax-less service anymore. But what is if you can't pay with cash anymore? They can control where you can spend your money. Makes sense, right? Even worse, they want to introduce two stable coins that are cryptos with an equal value on their currencies. We have already stable coins for US dollar and euro and so on. The government can so create money endless with stable coins. The government can so create money endless with stable coins. And they can program our stable coins how to spend it. If they don't want you buying petrol for your cars, they program your stable coins to exclude petrol. Or in Europe, it is legal to limit your spending through the government. If you have posted good things about Putin, then they limit your spending. If you earn a lot of money, but you have posted something positive about Putin, okay, this is called democracy. In the USA, every new car has a stop switch built inside the engine, so that the government can stop your engine so that you can't use your car anymore. They say if you drive too dangerous, we can prevent that with that switch. Now they have created a new identification system with an eye or iris footprint or another identification system so that they can track you and control you. In Thailand, they use already an identification system on the border, so you don't have to show your passport anymore when you are registered. For sure, I'm not registered, but I can get a wiretap because I worked in high-tech industry. This was true for me 30 or 40 years ago, and I still do this, and this is also true now for you. If you give one time your permission, you get wiretapped your entire life. And my friend had checked that. We get already controlled from Google and Facebook to sell us their garbage. But what is if they give all the information to the government? For instance, you sleep with your neighbor's wife. Okay. Next day you can't use your car and your account is locked. So they do in China already, and I think in Malaysia they do this also. But what is if you post something negative about our corrupt, lying, kid rapist president? You know who I mean or not? Chronicle Lear and so on. Israel or the people in the Epstein regime. He's also in the Epstein files. They do the same thing. Okay. Thank you that I could speak about this, and bye.